In this video, I'll show the mounting of the D4 to the tripod and the controls on the D4. This is an exemplar tripod. The column is going to be located in the center. This column is removable on my tripod. 3/8 inch 16 screw with a set screw in order to hold the D4 in position, this being the underside of the D4 that will have the set screw come in contact with it. You can see that there's some wearing that has occurred on this plate as a result of set screw attachment and a little slippage. Nothing functional to affect the operation, as you'll see. So we'll put the tripod plate on the D4, tighten the set screw, and then we'll put this back into the tripod. Tighten the tie rod column, and then take a look at the controls that we have. A small knob on the bottom of the D4 permits rotation of the D4 around the column of the tripod. Lock that and we can't rotate it. In addition, there's a second knob up here which, when loosened, allows the camera to rotate 360 degrees. There are bubble levels on the top plate of the camera mount, and you can level for panoramic shots and then tighten to hold it in position. There are two large knobs that have pointed ends to them. When loosened completely, they permit free rotation of the camera about 30 degrees to 35 degrees backward down and 90 degrees forward down, about 30 degrees side to side. Once you've positioned the camera where you want it, you can tighten each of these knobs, the pointed knobs, and then at that time you can do fine control in the backward and downward position by simply turning this knob, operating through the gearing of the camera, and similarly you can turn this knob to side, tilt the camera. Of course, you can turn the entire D4 if you wish, or if you want to just turn the camera, you can do that through the smaller knobs that control rotation.